A bank file needs to be imported into Infusion to complete a bank reconciliation. Before working in Infusion, export a file from your banking software for the date range to be reconciled. In Infusion, within the Financials menu, open the bank account to reconcile. The account opens to the Imported tab. If there are unreconciled transactions, these are shown. The Process tab shows unreconciled payments, deposits and funds transfers processed within Infusion that are ready to be reconciled. Both tabs default to show unreconciled transactions. To import a file, select Import and locate the bank file. Alternatively, drag and drop a file into the Transactions area. The bank transactions are imported and the statement details in the header update. The total of the imported file is added to existing statement balance. This represents a sum of all imports and the original opening account balance. The latest transaction date is the date of the latest transaction in the import. Unreconciled balances are also updated to include the newly imported transactions. The bank transactions are listed. The bank details show on the left. Potential matches and suggestions to existing Infusion transactions display in the middle. Reconciliation options show on the right. At this point, transactions are ready to reconcile.